Hi, good morning. My name is Diego Teot. I'm the head of the international wholesale for Retelit. Retelit is a leading Italian operator with a massive fiber optic network in Italy and a large investment on the A1 cable system. We operate both in the wholesale and the enterprise space in Italy. 2017 for us has been a key year because of our biggest project, A1 ready for service, and more important, we got the confirmation that is a good investment because a lot of live traffic and real contracts are now alive and kicking from our Italian Bari landing station. 2018, we expect more growth on the traffic, both on the cable system, but also on large metropolitan area network investments within Italy that will attract and drive more traffic from the Far East and the Middle East. Submarine Networks World is a very good event from the content perspective. So when you go back, you always take back something new that is helping your day-by-day business in terms of learning. Secondly, the level of attendees is exactly targeted for the submarine cable business. So the level of meeting, the quality of the meeting that you perform here is top. Third, the event space itself is extremely comfortable compared to large industry events, multi-segment. Submarine industry is booming, is in a historical moment of booming, but also in a changing phase, because traditional consortium cable are more and more less flexible, and so there are new actors going to implement private cable that accommodate the new traffic pattern required. So I see even for the next years a good growth of this business. One at the end of the day is traffic growth. Traffic growth is the main one. The second opportunity lead to the reliability of the networks. Today, most of the traffic of submarine cable system has a few key hubs. That's why, for instance, we entered in the A1, creating a Bari cable landing station as diverse hub, diverse gate to Europe, creating reliability from Middle East and Africa to Europe. Recently, we had to provide very fast a lot of capacity from the Bari landing station to supply bandwidth for the countries affected by CME-3 maintenance and IME-3 cut, and we did it. In the two ways, exactly as the traffic grows. So they will create more traffic on one side, but also the traffic model that they require is more reliable and not forecastable. So you need that the industry needs to adapt to the traffic growth, needs to adapt to the reliability, more let's say, meshed networks based on the submarine cable system, but also a very fast model to provision bandwidth and capacity. Yeah, I see, because the growth is granting the fuel for more application, more project in the next years, yes. Compared to the last year, the event, I see the space is fantastic. Both the networking and the bar space for meeting. The content is even better than the past year because in the past year you had very focused submarine content plus the telegeography research. This year you had also some trend line and the future forecast of the trends, social, political, that will drive the submarine traffic.